Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga po pala si Brian T. Velasco, ang MC niyo at aking ipakikilala ang ating tagapagsalita tungkol sa ating paksa sa simposyo na Zero Waste Policy.
A pleasant day to everyone. I am Teacher D. Garcia, speaking today about the significance of adopting the zero waste policy to reduce environmental impact from excessive waste generation. I will also be tackling the definition, importance, benefits, and potential challenges associated with